In this video, I'll show you how to create a Mailchimp sign-up form. Start by signing into your Mailchimp account. From the dashboard, click Audience, then select Sign Up Forms. Next, choose Form Builder to start customizing your sign-up form. After that, select the audience where you want new subscribers to be added. Then edit the form fields and make sure email address is included. You can also add fields like first name or last name depending on what information you want to collect. Now customize the form design. Go to the Design section and adjust the colors, fonts, and button style so it matches your brand. Next, edit the form content. Change the headline to something like Join our newsletter, and update the description to get updates, tips, and exclusive content directly in your inbox. After that, go to the Settings section and configure your confirmation and success messages so users know they successfully signed up. Finally, click Save and Publish, then copy your form link or embed code to add it to your website, Shopify store, or landing page. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Mailchimp sign-up form. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.